Hi viewers, in this video we will discuss the stack introduction. Stack is the one of the linear data structure which is arranging the data in memory locations here, which is using the last data stored, which is coming out as a first data, which is coming out as a first data. For example, the data structure stack is having the structure in this representation. Here the memory location is starts from 0 1 2 3 etc n minus 1. Now whenever we are inserting the data that will be stored from zeroth memory locations. So for example, if you are inserting data 1, 10, 3. So first time we are inserting the 1, second time we are inserting the 10, third time we are inserting the 3. So here the data which are inserted in the sequence of 1 comma 10 comma 3, the last data which we have inserted is 3. When we want to remove or access the element from the stack, that will be top of the element of the stack. So now this is the top element in the stack. Whenever we are accessing the data from the stack, the top element will be accessed first. So the 3 will be accessed first element, and 10 will be accessing as a second element, and 1 will be accessing as a third element. So here the 3 accessing first, 2 I mean second time 10 element, and third time the element 1. So in this sequence we can access the data from the stack. So you see here the element which is inserted at last is accessed as a first element. The data which is inserted at last is accessed as a first element. That's why the data structure stack is called last in first out data structure. Last in first out data structure. And the top of the element of the stack only we can access from the stack always. Here I have given one example, the number of trays arranged in the cafeteria. Number of trays arranged in the cafeteria. So here first, whenever we are washing the tray, so this is the first tray the server washed and arranged first, and second tray, third tray, fourth tray, like that n minus 1 trays, n minus 1 trace. From this zeroth tray to n minus 1 trace. So here after arranging, when they want to access that trace, first they will access the top one. First they will access the top one, then second top one. Okay, so like that the tray which is arranged at last, that will be accessed as a first. That will be accessed as a first tray, this red color tray. So which is one of the example for stack data structure last in first out. In the stack, the basic important operations are push operation. The push operation is used to adding or inserting the new item at top of the stack. For example, first we are pushing the a. First we are pushing the a. So a is inserted at the zeroth memory location. Then we are inserting the x. Then we are inserting the x. So x is on top of the stack. Suppose if we want to delete the data from the stack, we can use the pop method. We can use the pop method or pop operation, which is removing the data from top of the stack. For example, pop of x. So when you are applying the pop, the x will be removed from the stack because that is the top element in the stack. So after removal, our stack representation will be having only the element A. And here also one of the example has been given of in this stack. First we are pushing A, so A is inserted first, then push X, X is inserted as a second element, then push R, then which is inserted as a third element, push C, which is inserted as a fourth element. Now the memory location will be represented 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. n minus 1. So the size of the stack is n, right? Now I am inserting one more element, push M. So when you are inserting the push M, so M is inserted at the location number 4. Location number 4. Then when I am inserting the pop, so when I am calling the pop method, automatically one of the element of stack, okay, one of the element from the top of the stack, that will be removed. So M is the top of the element, M is the top of the element which is removing from the stack after removal. After calling the pop method, we are having the stack in this structure. So M is removed. We are having the remaining elements A in the zeroth location, X at the first location, R at second location, C at third location. So this is the top of the element as of now in the stack. Thanks for watching.